We're going to go over what you're going to need to replace your anode rod. So you're going to need an 1 1/16" deep socket. You're also going to need an extension, and then you're going to need your wrench itself. And then you're going to need the anode rod, and we're going to take you over this, but Camp Time, which is Funtown RV, makes these, and they sell them in the store for less than $20. So let's go ahead and go out to the shop and get started. Hi, my name is Cameron Arnold. I'm a RV technician out here at Cleveland Funtown RV, and today we're going to go over water heaters and anode rods. So in replacing an anode rod, what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to pull the relief valve. You're going to open this up right here, allow the water to drip out and come out. Whenever it gets to a steady drip, you know that the pressure's out of there, so it's safe to remove your anode rod. If you go to remove the anode rod without doing that, then what's going to happen is water is going to forcefully come out at you with all the calcium of that buildup. So we're going to go over anode rods. This one, it's not too bad. What you want to look for is one up here. That's a no-go. So what happens with the anode rods is it depends on where you camp. From campground to campground, depending on the calcium, amount of calcium in the water, is what actually takes these down and makes it to where they get a lot of buildup on them and they start to deteriorate. So what you want to watch for is calcium buildup and then also rust. If you start getting a lot of rust around here, that's usually a no-go, and it makes it a lot harder to get it out. So what you want to do is replace these about once a year. They're less than $20. Funtown actually has the Camptown model. We make our own, have our own anode rods made, and you can get them pretty much at any Funtown location. So what you're going to need is you're going to need an 1 1/16" wrench or socket with a wrench. And then what you're doing here, this is your old one, so you can throw that one away. But it's kind of hard to get them started, so we are going to say that right now. You want to come in here and support it at the bottom with your finger. Try to get it in a location. And again, it's kind of hard to get it started. Don't give up on it. Once you get it started inside there, get it hand tightened to where you can't tighten it anymore. And then you're going to take your socket, again 1 1/16". Just tighten this thing down. Get it all the way tight. And then you are good to go with it. So again, what happens is that the calcium buildup and rust, if you get a lot of calcium buildup on that, it's going to make it to where your water heater doesn't work as efficiently. If you get rust on the outside, it's going to make it a lot harder for you to get it out. So just basic maintenance for under $20 a year, you can't go wrong. Whenever it gets to a steady drip, you know that the pressure's out of there.